Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Biology session. Animal tissues. We have completed the lesson. So let us test ourselves with worksheet. The questions which appeared in the previous NEET and Olympiads contests. So animal tissues. Let us start the first question. The epithelial tissues arise from the embryonic ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm. So epithelial tissues are the fundamental tissues in the animals. They arise from all the three: ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. So here all of these. The fibrous tissue which connects bones, bone to bone, a connective tissue, tendon, adipose tissue, ligament. So it is the ligament which connects bone to bone. These ligaments are present near the joints. The glands are composed of which of these tissue types? Epithelium, connective, muscle, nervous tissue. Okay, glands contain secretory in function, so they are made up of epithelial tissue. Intracallated discs are found in between neurons, in cardiac muscles, at the junction of muscles and nerves, in striped muscles. Okay, there are three types of muscles based on the structure. They are striated muscles, non-striated or smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles, isn't it? So out of which intracallated discs are present in cardiac muscles. Next, the longest smooth muscles are found in legs of athletes, abdomen, uterus of pregnant women, and back muscles. The longest smooth muscles are present in the uterus of a pregnant women. Okay. Next, which of the following is not a function of epithelial tissue? Covers the surface, secretion and absorption, support of the body, lining of the digestive tract. So except this support, remaining all the functions of epithelial tissue. Support of the body is the connective tissue, that is bone. Which one of the following contains the largest quantity of extracellular material? Largest quantity of extracellular material. Striated muscles, areolar tissue, stratified epithelium, myelinated nerve fibers. So the largest quantity of extracellular material is present in the areolar tissue, which binds the other tissues and which helps in the organs to held in position. The mast cells occur in nervous tissue, connective tissue, epithelial tissue, skeletal tissue. The mast cells are present in the areolar tissue, so it is a connective tissue. So here it is connective tissue. Esophagus, stomach and intestine are lined with transitional epithelium, striated columnar epithelium, simple columnar epithelium, simple squamous epithelium. The esophagus means the digestive tract, food pipe, stomach and intestine. It is lined by simple columnar epithelium. Smooth muscles are involuntary, spindle shaped, uninucleated, tapering. Voluntary, multinucleate, cylindrical. Involuntary, cylindrical, multinucleate. Voluntary, branched, uninucleate. So these smooth muscles are involuntary, spindle shaped, uninucleated and tapering. The longitudinal channels of bone are called bone marrow, Haversian canals, marrow cavity, lacunae. It is the Haversian canals which are present in the bones. The striated muscles occur in urinary bladder, alimentary canal, skeletal muscles. None of these. Skeletal muscles are called striated muscles or voluntary muscles. The muscles in the eye associated with pupil are unstriated, striated and voluntary, striated and involuntary, unstriated and voluntary. They are unstriated and voluntary muscles are present associated with the pupil. The pupil means there is a gap which helps in the entry of light. Okay, the pupil will allow the light to pass or to reflect onto the lens by which we can see the object. So this pupil is made up of some muscles. Okay, they contract and expand, they create a narrow opening through which the light enters the eye. This one is the characteristic of epithelial tissue. Next question. This one is the characteristic of epithelial tissue. These cells never produce glands. These cells have a rapid rate of cell division. These tissues are highly vascularized. The large intercellular spaces are seen between the cells. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of epithelial cells? These are rapid rate of cell division. Okay, these cells have a rapid rate of cell division is a characteristic feature of epithelial tissue. Simple squamous epithelium is found in the lining of. Simple squamous epithelium is found in the lining of body cavities like blood vessels, peritoneum. Peritoneum is the lining of kidneys. Then Bowman's capsule, etc. Next, second option, trachea, large bronchi, epididymis. The third option, esophagus, anal canal, vagina. And the fourth option is all of the above. Here the question is simple squamous epithelium is found in the lining of. Okay, here all of the above is the right option. The simple epithelium is associated with secretion, absorption, diffusion, all of these. So here also the epithelial functions. So all of these. The mast cells are present in areolar tissue. Which of the following is a single? Which of the following is the single type of tissue? Liver, stomach, blood, pancreas. The single type of tissue is present in the gland pancreas. Stratified epithelium is found in. Stratified epithelium found in. What is the meaning of stratified? Stratified epithelium means the epithelium in many layers. Skin, trachea, liver, stomach. It is the skin in which stratified epithelium is present. Simple squamous epithelium is a characteristic of. Simple squamous epithelium is a characteristic of. Or simple squamous epithelium is present in kidney, testis, alveoli, all of these. So all of these is the right option. Cuboidal epithelium is found in sweat gland, gonads, uniferous tubules, all of these. So here cuboidal epithelium, okay, sweat glands, gonads means testis and ovary, and uniferous tubules. So here all of these is the right option. Lumen of the stomach and intestine has squamous epithelium, columnar epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, specialized epithelium. It is the columnar epithelium is present in the lumen of intestine and stomach. Connective tissue in our body constitutes 30% of the body mass, 50% of the body mass, 60% of the body mass, and 80% of the body mass. Okay, connective tissue is the most abundant tissue among the 4 animal tissues. So it constitutes nearly 60% of the body mass is due to the connective tissue in our body, because bones, muscles, these are all the parts of connective tissue only. Next, the connective tissue mainly functions to provide mechanical support to the body and absorb shocks, store fat and lubricate joints, organs, etc. Initiate the process of repair at damaged and infected parts, or perform all above functions. So all the above functions are the functions of connective tissue. Aging in our body is associated with the deterioration in our epithelia, connective tissue, bones. None of these. It is due to the deterioration of connective tissue it appears aging in our body. The muscular tissues are more active than others. Which organelles are expected to be more numerous in the cells of the muscular tissue? Nuclei, centriole, mitochondria, nucleoli. It is the mitochondria, because they are more active, they require more energy, so more mitochondria are present in the muscular tissue, which provide energy in the form of ATP. Matrix with collagen fibers, elastin fibers, reticular fibers, fibrocytes, macrophages, mast cells, plasma cells, eosinophils. These are all found in which tissue? Areolar tissue, fibrous tissue, adipose tissue. None of these. So all these type of cells like collagen fibers, elastin fibers, reticular fibers, fibrocytes, macrophages, mast cells, plasma cells, and eosinophils, these are all found in areolar tissue. In our body, the ciliated epithelium is found in trachea, neurocele of central nervous system and oviducts, vagina, uterus, ureters, and the loop of Henle. Loop of Henle is a part of nephron. Okay, bile duct, small intestine, stomach, pancreatic duct, eustachian tube. Eustachian tube is present in the inner ear. Then vagina and buccal cavity. Okay, in our body, the ciliated epithelium is found in. Where do you find the ciliated epithelium? It is present in the trachea, neurocele of central nervous system, and oviducts. Areolar tissue is found in throughout the body, under skin and epithelia, in between and around the muscles, around the nerves, blood vessels, and between lobules of compound glands, or in the mucosa of gastrointestinal and respiratory tract, and omenta and mesenteries. In all of these structures, areolar tissue is found. D option. The main function of areolar tissue are to bind the body parts and facilitate the movement of epithelia, muscles, etc., or to help in diffusion of metabolites and other substances, or to help in vibration of wandering cells to the sites of infection and repair, or all of the above. So no doubt the main function, these are all the functions of areolar tissue only. Next, ligaments and tendons are made up of collagen fibers, elastin fibers, areolar tissue and adipose tissue. They are made up of collagen fibers. White and yellow type of collagen fibers are present in the ligaments and tendons. Okay, ligaments connects the bones with the bones, whereas tendons connect the bone to muscle, muscles to bone. Which of the following tissues lacks collagen and elastin fibers? Adipose tissue, areolar tissue, white fibrous tissue and yellow elastic tissue. So it is the adipose tissue. So areolar tissue also possesses fibers, remaining two, yellow and white fibrous tissue. Here adipose tissue is lack of collagen and elastin fibers. The sheets of cartilages, muscles and nerves are formed of white fibrous tissue, reticular tissue, adipose tissue, yellow elastic tissue. Sheets of cartilages, muscles and nerves are formed of white fibrous tissue. White fibrous tissue. Which of the following connective tissues helps in defense of the body? Reticular, adipose, pigmented, mucus. It is the reticular tissue which involves in the defense mechanism. The cells of squamous epithelium are tall with elongated nuclei, columnar or cuboidal, flat and tile-like, cube-like. So they are flat and tile-like. Squamous means flat. Always remember. The cells of squamous epithelium are flat and tile-like. If they are present in one layer, then it is called a simple squamous epithelium. Okay. Inner surface of intestine is lined by muscles only, epithelial tissue only, several types of tissues, epithelial and muscular, both types of tissues. They are lined with the epithelial tissue only. The hardest connective tissue in our body is nerve, bone, muscle, none of these. Direct question. It is the bone, the hardest connective tissue. Ligaments join bones to bones, bone to bone. A tendon serves to join muscles to bone, muscles with the bone. Pseudostratified columnar epithelium is found in mouth, stomach or esophagus, kidney, trachea, bronchi and nasal cavities. Okay, the pseudostratified epithelium is present in the trachea, bronchi, nasal cavity. The skeleton tissue found in the mammalian pinna is, mammalian pinna means external ear, calcified cartilage, fibrous cartilage, simple cartilage, elastic cartilage. Which is present? It is the elastic cartilage which is present in the external ear pinna of mammals and even our nose also, tip of the nose, elastic cartilage. The transitional epithelium is found in larynx, vein, kidney, ureter and renal pelvis. The transitional, in the urinary tract it is present, ureter and renal pelvis made up of transitional epithelium, elastic in nature. The ciliated columnar epithelium occurs in bile duct and esophagus, eustachian tube and stomach lining, fallopian tubes and bronchioles, fallopian tubes and urethra, fallopian tubes and bronchioles. The ciliated columnar epithelium occurs in fallopian tubes and bronchioles. The difference between bone and cartilage is of collagen, blood vessel, lymphatic vessels, Haversian canals. Haversian canals are present only in the bones, they are absent in the cartilage. This is the main difference between the bone and cartilage. Choose the correctly matched pair. Areolar tissue, it is a loose connective tissue. Cartilage, loose connective tissue. Tendon, specialized connective tissue. Adipose tissue, dense connective tissue. So here the first option is right option. Areolar tissue is the loose connective tissue. Smooth muscles are involuntary cylindrical striated, voluntary spindle shaped uninucleate, involuntary fusiform non striated, voluntary multinucleate cylindrical. Which is correct one? Smooth muscles are involuntary fusiform non striated. Here assertion and reasoning question, one model question. Assertion: extracellular materials are important for cells. Reason: intracellular materials surround the cells and bind them together. Okay, so here the 4 or 5 options are given. If both the assertion and reasoning are true, the reason is a correct explanation of the assertion. If both assertion and reasoning, the reason are true, but the reason is not a correct explanation of the assertion. If the assertion is true but reason is false, if both the assertion and reason are false, if the assertion is false but reason is true. Here 5 options are there. You need to select. Extracellular materials are important for cells. Intracellular materials surround the cells and bind them together. Okay, so here both assertion and reason are true. The reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Another assertion reason type. Simple epithelium covers surfaces exposed to mechanical or chemical aberrations. Reason: protection of underlying tissues is the major function of simple epithelium. Here you need to select the right option, just like same like last one. Okay, here assertion and reason both seems to be wrong. Simple epithelium covers surfaces exposed to mechanical or chemical aberrations. That is wrong. Protection of underlying tissues is the major function of the simple tissue. It is also wrong. So both assertion and reason seems to be false. So here D option. Identify the granulocyte. Multi-correct type answer. This is 4 marks. Identify the granulocyte. Neutrophils, monocytes, basophils, eosinophils. Okay. Here identify the granulocyte. WBC are of 2 types. What are they? Agranulocytes and granulocytes. The granulocytes based on the staining, they are divided into eosinophils, basophils, neutrophils. Okay, so here option A, neutrophils, basophils and eosinophils are the right options. It is multi-correct answer. A, C, D. This is also multi-correct answer. Voluntary muscles are also known as skeletal muscles, striated muscles, smooth muscles, cardiac muscles. Voluntary muscles are also known as skeletal muscles, striated muscles, skeletal muscles and striated muscles. Next, the plasma of the blood contains proteins, salts, hormones, ligaments. The plasma of the blood contains proteins, salts, hormones. Okay, multi-correct answer. Another assertion reason type. Voluntary muscles are present in limbs. Reason: involuntary muscles are present in the alimentary canal and blood vessels. Okay. Here both are correct, but reason is not a correct explanation of A. Okay. Voluntary muscles are present in the limbs, correct only. Involuntary muscles are present in the alimentary canal and blood vessels. It is also correct only. But R is not a correct explanation of A. Another assertion reason type. White blood cells protect our body from foreign materials. Reason: lymphocytes secrete antibodies to guard against the foreign materials. Yes, here both assertion and reasoning are correct. Reason is also a correct explanation of assertion. Okay. So here multi matching type, matrix matching type question. 8 marks for this question. The 4 options you need to match correctly. So directly matching will be asked sometimes. Sometimes a code will be given, correct code. After matching you have to select the correct code. Here the neutrophils, type of WBC, neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, monocytes are given. Shape of the nucleus. Okay. Kidney shaped, S shaped, 3 to 5 lobes, 2 lobes, disc shaped. Here the neutrophils. Neutrophils are the most abundant WBC. 3 to 5 lobes nucleus is present. So here are eosinophils, S shaped nucleus is present. No, basophils S shaped. Eosinophils are also called acidophils. Okay, here 2-lobed nucleus is present. Basophils, S shaped nucleus. And monocytes are kidney shaped nucleus. So here AR, BS, CQ, DP. So option D is correct. Okay, let us do similar question. Column 1, epithelial tissue, connective tissue, blood tissue, nerve tissue, adipose tissue is given. 5 options. And the column 2, so here 7 options are given. Receive and conduct impulses, stores of fat, the framework and support various organs in the body, protection, transport of materials, absorption and secretion, digestion. So known ones you have to match first, so that remaining automatically you will be knowing. So here nervous tissue, receive and conduct impulses, and epithelial tissue, it gives the protection. Connective tissue forms the framework and supports various organs. Adipose tissue store the fat. The blood tissue involves in the transport of materials. Okay, so here 1s, 2r, 3t, 4p, 5q. So here also option D. Another similar type of question, the last question. Column 1, bone, ligament, tendon, cartilage, areolar tissue. Column 2, joints, different tissues. Found in trachea, connects bones at joints, joint muscles to the bone, the major component of skeleton system, transports materials, lining of blood vessel. So let us match first. Bone. Bone is the major component of skeleton system. Next, ligament. It connects bone to bone at joints. Tendon. It joins the muscle to bone. Cartilage. Cartilage is the found in the trachea, C-shaped cartilage. Next, C-shaped cartilage is found in the trachea. Last one, areolar tissue. It joins different tissues. Okay, so here 1T, 2R, 3S, 4Q, 5P. 1T, 2R, 3S, 4Q, 5P. So here all the options are wrongly typed. So here TR, the second one is R, third one is S, fourth one is Q, fifth one is P. Okay, so that's why you need to match first, then you have to choose the code. Okay, right children, I hope you followed the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.